porous surface, so it's kind of weird. This is an interesting brush. It's already off. Yep, that's how it goes. Now you can sort of clean it up. Get a little closer. Oh well. By the way, this is my 4th time even holding a pinstripe brush, so bear with the rough technique, because it is definitely rough. Clean that up later, probably. But I'm sort of figuring it out. Done a lot of pencil, but not a lot of actual paint. And the whole pinstripe technique is completely different from what I'm used to. And it's sort of hard to talk and do a line at the same time. I'm trying. Notice my line thickness is already all over the place too. But whatever. These are hard to do. Off a little bit again. And from what I gather from videos, it's just kind of do whatever. Just kind of make up designs and see how it works out. But for me, I like to try to keep things balanced so they don't look like they're just like overpowered in one area. That's the drawing background, I guess. Just, you don't want to have a ton of lines and then have a big empty space. But hard spot. Something like that. Totally screwed that up. Guess I had more paint on my brush than I thought. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Make it look like you meant to do it, I guess. And that's way off too. But we can sort of fix that. And make that thicker so it disguises it a little bit better. Make a couple dots to fill in that empty space, that balance part. There you have it. So, not great, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect.